Alrighty, customer's backing up on the top and middle floor. So currently I'm under the basement. This is the original cast iron line to the house. You can see that about 40, but I'm upstairs, so it's hard to say exactly where I'm at. And this is where they tied in with ABS. I'm assuming they did a bunch of the basement at some point when the remodel happened. This house is, I believe the owner said it was from the 40s, so it's expected to see that. We're still flat, so we're in the basement, so they did this portion. They moved stacks around is what I'm guessing, or tied off. And there are actually quite a few turns right here. So I've got this 45 down and in, back into another 45, which pulls me vertical. Now I'm coming up. Now I'm at a 45. Just angle it over sideways, or a 45 run. Another 45 to vertical. And then now I'm flat. So this is our 90 that goes from mid-floor down. Now when I hit the plug, I actually wasn't too far out. I was probably only this far. My guess is it was plugged right here in the 90 because I only ran it about 15 feet before it cleared, and then I just followed it out for about 50. So I was definitely down in the cast. But you can see a couple things that happen. One, if you look to the top, it's hard to tell, but there's an inlet right here. So this is, I'm assuming this is for the toilet, the hall, or the half bath toilet that is in the same direction of this. We cut back, this is PVC, so this picks up the upstairs addition. And you can see the inlet is there on the right that enters here. And then we're back to ABS. And then you can see there's a little bit of standing water. This pipe is actually a little bit flat. It's not very much. I mean, it's bare minimum. It's not even covering my camera, so it's not too much of an issue. I mean, it'll slow stuff down a little bit, but I don't think that's the cause of the problem. And then we have another inlet right there. I don't know what that one is for, as it's the direction of flow, but the rest of the bathroom is behind us, so I'm assuming this could be the vent line, or a vent line that tags up. And then this is where we're the most flat, is actually right below the toilet. We come out, and then we're in the bathroom. So yeah, that 90 plugged up. Why? I mean, the question is how, I can't tell if that Y, the PVC, is a santee, or if it's a Y coming in. Also, this line right here, this is a C, you can see right here, this is a santee dropping straight in. So I mean, it's a santee laying on its back, and so it drops down, hits the back wall, so it doesn't have as much push. But do I see that being the lead cause? Not really. I think this actually was just a fluke plug up, in my opinion, of why it plugged up. Nothing looks to be concerning in terms of, I mean, the concerning part is actually after where it plugged, a bunch of those 45s, but that's not where the plug was. So and they said they've never had this happen in the past, so I'm assuming that was our only issue.